Hey there, side hustlers. Ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and start making money online? Let's break down the steps to e-commerce success. Grab a coffee, sit tight, and let's get started. First up, find your niche. What are you passionate about? It could be anything from handmade candles to tech gadgets. Narrow it down to a specific category with a dedicated audience. Research trends, see what's hot, and more importantly, what's sustainable. Next, source your products. You've got two main options: make it yourself or find a supplier. For handmade stuff, sites like Etsy are gold mines for inspiration and selling. If you're going the supplier route, check out Alibaba or local wholesalers. Remember, quality matters. Pick suppliers you can trust. Now let's talk about setting up your store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are great places to start. They offer all the tools you need to set up a professional-looking store without needing to know any code. Customize your store to reflect your brand. Make it visually appealing and user-friendly. Then comes pricing. This can be tricky. You need to cover costs, but also stay competitive. Research your competitors' prices. Factor in production costs, shipping, and a bit of profit margin. Don't underprice yourself, but don't go overboard either. Marketing is the magic ingredient. Social media is your best friend here. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, get your products in front of people. Use paid ads, influencer partnerships, and organic posts. Content is king. Share high-quality images, engaging videos, and client testimonials. Now let's talk customer service. This is crucial. Respond to inquiries promptly, handle complaints with grace, offer easy returns and refunds. Happy customers are repeat customers. And don't forget those reviews. Encourage satisfied buyers to leave positive feedback. Shipping and logistics. Don't underestimate this part. Choose reliable shipping partners. Offer multiple shipping options. Keep your customers informed about their order status. Fast delivery can be a game changer. Finally, analyze and optimize. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your store's performance. See what's working and what's not. Tweak your strategies accordingly. The e-commerce world is dynamic, so stay flexible and adaptive. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to e-commerce success. It's all about finding the right products, setting up a killer store, marketing like a pro, and keeping your customers happy. Ready to turn your side hustle into a thriving business? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and get started on your e-commerce journey today. Catch you in the next video.